So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy a stock here in your Moomoo account. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and press on accounts. So sorry, the bottom bar in between markets and news, press on accounts. Now, as you can tell, this is an example of my cash account. So make sure when you guys are buying a stock, it's in whatever account that you're looking to, add it to. So in this case, I'll go ahead and press on that. Now, if you want to go to positions right here, you can press on the trade icon if you want. Now on the trade screen, you can go ahead and type in the symbol or the name. So if you wanted to, let's just use Apple stock as an example, ticker symbol AAPL. There's Apple stock. Now you can go to where it says buy. You can go to where it says order type. You can go to limit order or market order for basic orders, or there's conditional orders as well. You can go ahead and do your price. So if you wanted to do a market order, for example, and enter the quantity. So if you wanted one stock of Apple, for example, in this case, it would be $215.84 USD. That's an example of that. Press on buy, and there you go. If you want to do this another way as well, if you're not really too sure what the ticker symbol is, you can go to the bottom left and press on markets. You can select a stock of your choice. So let's just go ahead here and find a stock. How about, I don't know, we'll look at a stock that is over here. So we'll just go this random stock like this. You can go ahead to the bottom left and press on trade, press on buy, and then go through the exact same thing that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to buy a stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.